Okay. Hey everybody, I'm Kira. I'm Sade.
And I'm Livia.
Okay, we're gonna okay, we have a straw and you stick it into your armpit and you blow in it. And we're gonna
Not
sing
sucking it.
Not sucking it, blowing it. And it makes fart noise. So we're gonna sing happy birthday using
Jazmine.
these two Jazmine Vierra. Woo, that's my cousin. Okay. Ready?
We love you, Jasmine.
Solo. Solo. Switch armpit.
Boys are probably watching these boobs a little bit.
Next.
I did like 3 at Kira, 1 at Livy, and 1 at Sade.
Let it rip, man.
By the way, Kira's
Oh!
lesbian.
Wait, ready? Wait, let's pretend it's not ready. That was a real one.
Please tell me you're not gonna post this.
Yeah. On YouTube.
Oh my god.
Okay, that was the most embarrassing thing I've ever did. I've never did that in my life. Thanks to my cousin Paris over here. She taught us that. Well, happy birthday, Jasmine.
Not.
Yes, you did. Happy birthday, Jasmine. We love you.
That
was for you.